5 Best Mechanical Gaming Keyboards. Number 5. Razer Black Widow Chroma V2. Razer Mechanical Switches. 1000 Hz Ultra Polling. 16.8 million customizable color options. Ergonomic wrist rest. 10 key anti-ghosting. Ensure long hours of comfortable gaming. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Corsair K70. Corsair's fastest mechanical keyboard. 100% anti-ghosting. Q support enables advanced macro. Advanced lighting control. Detachable soft touch wrist rest. Durable aluminum frame. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. CM Storm Quickfire TK. Mechanical blue Cherry MX switches. Fully backlit with blue LEDs. USB for unlimited simultaneous keystrokes. Embedded blue steel backplate. Super grip pads. 7 easy access multimedia shortcut keys. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Philco Magis Touch 2. Ergonomic click action. Cherry MX switches. Steel mounted in a rock-solid body. Full N-key rollover function. Item weight, 2.73 pounds. A big help for the super fast typist. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. JAWS Keyboard 4. Cherry MX mechanical key switches. 2-port USB 3.0 Super Speed Hub. Instant sleep button to save energy. Laser-etched key inscriptions. System requirements, PC Windows. Anodized aluminum top panel. Please check the description for detail and price.